Why is pest and rodent control important at food manufacturing workplaces? Food handling manufacturing workplaces can be infested with pests and rats. Over the past 5 years, pests and insects accounted for the highest rate of case of alien substances contained in food. Taking this into account, food manufacturing workplaces must perfectly manage pest and rodent control. To repel pests, it is necessary to prevent their outbreak outside workplaces and to keep them from infiltrating inside. In addition, workers must carry out the proper management in order not to allow pests infiltrating through gaps or drains to find their habitation in workplaces. Identify the pest types occurring in workplaces and install trapping devices appropriate for their characteristics. There are various trapping devices and equipment for prevention of infiltration by pest type, such as, for example, insect light traps, rat traps, air curtains, and insect screens. It is not good enough to just install trapping devices. Regularly monitor and record based on workplace area and season. To maintain a safe, hygienic, pest-free environment, workplaces establish management standards based on the captured pest population. In addition, workplaces replace, inspect, and maintain trapping devices on a regular basis based on the inspection criteria. Set the criteria for the captured pest population internally. It is required to revise the criteria based on a general assessment of the monitoring results and the cases of contaminated products. Then be careful not to set the high criteria of capture population for the convenience of management, which can cause a tremendous risk of pests contained in products.